Magnetic speed cube.
I recommend it.
Yeah, it's a very nice cube here. So yeah, I am actually doing this on my. What do you mean? I'm not solving it in the shady thing, but I'm doing it. I'm like trying to solve it, but like the camera's like right in front of me, so I'm making sure it's in camera view and also
And guys,
just in my view.
Midway, I'm gonna like throw
No.
balloons into a line.
I'm looking at the camera to solve this.
Speed 50.
So actually, it's kind of hard. So yeah, let's just get to the cubing. My algorithm is a standard algorithm. There's a regular algorithm. Some of you all will use this if you do it. By the way, make sure you like and subscribe. This is our first video. We want to try and get to 100 by the end of this year, maybe a bit more. I don't know.
Well, we need to aim for like 5 at the end of a week, maybe a month.
Not a month.
If we get like 2 in a month, then 5
So there's the GAN
just what you want. So I was like,
speed cube solved.
solved.
So yeah, there's going to be multiple videos when I'm solving this cube, trying to get my PB and stuff like that. So yeah, we will also be solving, not next video,
We'll have one video.
maybe in a few videos time. The next video I'll be solving this 3 GAN cube, trying to get my PB.
Again,
I probably won't get my PB, but we'll see if I can. We've got that to solve. We've got
okay. If we get 15 subs,
the non-speed cube. The 3x3 garbage cube, a regular one, and then if we get 50 subscribers, I will solve them 4x4.
and then 5x5,
And then 5x5 when we got 100 subs.
So yeah, 20x20 wins a million.
Make sure you like and subscribe. No, 16x16, that's the max it goes up to. So make sure you like and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.